If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for a waterproofing, foundation, or crawl space repair company in the Charlotte area that is trustworthy and dependable. Hi, I'm Corey Parks, owner of HydroHelp911. We know it can be overwhelming when seeking a company to work on your home. Chances are you've run across a few names in your search, so we thought we'd show you a comparison between ourselves and one of our competitors, DryPro. You're probably asking, why would we do that? We pride ourselves on being open, honest, and transparent with our services. We want our customers to be as informed and as educated as possible about the health of their home. We are not ones to shy away from a little competition, and in the end, we just want you to feel 100% comfortable with the company you choose for your foundation, crawl space, or basement repair needs. So we encourage you to compare. So let's take a look at some of the facts about DryPro and HydroHelp911. DryPro was founded by Ron Weatherly in 1999. They were acquired in 2021 by a private equity group named Groundworks, a $600 million company that owns 20 other repair service companies that specialize in crawl spaces, basements, and foundations. DryPro is a fully licensed and insured company based out of Virginia. They have around 120 employees at the time of their sale. They are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau, and in 2022 they received the Angie Super Service Award. They provide services for foundation repair, concrete lifting, crawl space and basement waterproofing, as well as crawl space encapsulation. They only provide certain solutions as they are not a custom repair company. Now let's talk about ourselves a little bit. HydroHelp911 was founded in 2017 by myself, Corey Parks. We're fully licensed and insured and are based just outside of Charlotte, North Carolina in Dallas, North Carolina, and we are a small business that has less than 20 hardworking employees. We are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau and have a 5-star rating on Google with almost 130 reviews, as well as a host of other Facebook, Angie's List, and Home Advisor reviews. We provide services for crawl space repair, encapsulation, basement waterproofing, both interior and exterior, and foundation repair, as well as masonry and structural support repairs. We provide custom solutions, and each repair is customized to your home's specific needs. If you are having any symptoms or issues with your crawl space, basement, or foundation, then you really can't go wrong by calling DryPro or us. Both of us are reputable companies who are here to help. You can find more information on our website, or if you'd like to schedule a complimentary consultation, feel free to call us at 704-813-9554. Y'all have a good day.